Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all different gestures and motions on Redmi 12. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings. Then in additional settings you should be able to find gesture shortcuts. And right here we have a few different settings, so let me show you them. First one being launch Google Assistant. You can enable your Google Assistant by holding the power button for half a second, just like that. Then you can take a screenshot using your 3 fingers by sliding them down, just like this. There's also option to make a screenshot using volume down plus power key, and you can enable or disable both of the options. Moving on, we have launch camera, and here you can double press the power button to instantly open your camera, or double press volume down when the screen is locked to also launch the camera. Let's try it out. It works fine with the power key and the same with the volume down key. Yep, we have a camera. Next thing is, I think, a torch, and yep, turn on torch, and you can exchange double press the power button from camera to activate your torch instead. Now let's try it out. It works fine. And the last function is double tap fingerprint sensor to open any of these functions right here. So we're gonna go for take a screenshot, I guess. So here's a fingerprint sensor, and we need to double tap it, just like that. Don't press on it, just tap it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.